Everyone, welcome back to my channel, and in this video I want to share with you guys my progress as far as like keto. And I've been in keto for almost 3 months, and let me tell you, today I weighed in and I am down 35 pounds, which I'm super happy, super excited. And two other things that I'm super excited about are that I'm able to wear my engagement ring now. Before, it was not fitting or coming out. It's like super small. Like, I actually was like a size 4 or 5 when I met my husband, and when he proposed. Well, and let me see if they have any clearance. So I noticed that they had this top. This is a really cute, pretty pink blush. I don't have something like this in my closet, and it was only $3, so I was like, why not? And then I can wear it in spring. I thought it was like super cute, and the reason why I said I'll wear it in spring is because it's a size small. I don't recall the time I was a small. It's been a while, and so I was like, you know what? Maybe by the time it's spring, I can fit into it. And you guys, I know it looks a little, maybe it's a little loose for a small, but it is a size small from Time and True brand, which I've never bought anything like that at Walmart. And you guys, so I came home, tried it on, and you guys, it fits. I cannot believe it fits. It doesn't fit tight at all. It actually fits a little loose in the front, which I'm super excited. I still can't believe it. My goal was to wear it next year in spring, and I can't believe like it fits me now like a size small. I know it varies like the brands and the sizes, but now I can say with I can wear a small from Walmart, which that makes me super excited. So let me tell you guys a little story as to why I decided to try the keto diet. I don't actually consider it a diet anymore. It's more like a lifestyle for me. I feel like it's done wonders for me actually. Like I said, it's almost been 3 months that I've been on this ketogenic diet lifestyle, and it actually changed my life. Like I tell you, I haven't really been working out because it's either the weather or I don't have time, and by the time my husband gets home sometimes it's super late and I've lost total motivation like working out, because now it gets super dark like early. So I'm like, you know what, forget it. So I still can't believe it's been less than 3 months and I've lost a total of 35 pounds today, as of today, which I'm super excited. And I can't believe it. Like, if you are watching and you're struggling and you want to start like a new lifestyle, I totally recommend the ketogenic lifestyle. It's high fats, like moderate protein, and definitely zero to low carbs. I try to stay like very low on my carbs. I actually try not to have carbs. And what's really worked for me is intermittent fasting, you guys. That totally worked, and that actually has made me like, I still can't believe like how much control I have when I do intermittent fasting. Um, I actually like amaze myself as how much willpower I have as far as like how this lifestyle is. Like, I feel like um, intermittent fasting like really works, and it definitely helps me not get super hungry. Like, I'll start my first meal like around 12:30 or 1. Usually my first meal, like in the morning, as soon as I wake up, obviously I drink water. I try to drink a little bit of apple cider vinegar in my water, and that has helped me. And I also try to add chia seeds and a little bit of lemon juice to my waters, so it can have a little, you know, a little texture and little difference, because I feel like chia seeds help with the digestion. Because when you're on keto, like your digestion changes. Like, honestly, there's times where you really need to get on the fiber, because you really don't go to the bathroom as much. And that's something that I am like trying to get used to, because before I was like super regular and TMI. But with the keto diet, I feel like struggling on that sense. So I try to add extra fiber to my foods, so I can stay regular. So yeah, you guys, like, it's amazing how this diet has made me feel. and how I'm actually like looking forward to every day, like either eating or weighing myself and seeing the differences in my body. I feel like sometimes the scale doesn't move, but I feel like as far as like measurements, inches, I'm losing inches on my body. The other day, I will never forget what my dad told me, and then when I came back, those words were just, playing in my head like, hey, you let yourself go. Why are you letting yourself go? You have to care about yourself. And that's when I was like, you know what? My dad is right. Like, he is so right. I have to care about myself. I have to care about, my son, because hello, I can't let myself go. I have my son to care for, my husband, my family. Like, I want everyone to be happy when they see me. And I'm so proud of myself. So if you guys are going through something, struggling, you guys, I feel like this is the easiest lifestyle I've had, because I get to eat a lot of stuff that I love. Like, I love cheese, I love bacon. I mean, moderation, obviously, but you can still enjoy the foods. You just, you're not eating carbs all the time. And what's helped me, I guess, is because I'm not like a sweet tooth kind of person. So it's kind of helped me. And I feel like when I do crave something sweet, I make myself a nice cup of coffee, and that usually does it for me. So I hope you guys find this helpful. You guys, you can do it. It's super easy. Google recipes on Pinterest. They have amazing recipes on Instagram. Um, you guys, you can do it. If I did it in less than 3 months, I lost 35 pounds, and I haven't hit my goal. My goal is when my son turns 3 at the end of January, I want to be that size that I was um, when I was like looking real good, like I know I can. Ooh. So yeah, my goal is my son's 3rd birthday. I want to be fitting into like the smallest size of pants I ever fit into, which is like a 4. But let me tell you, my kind of 4 is different because I have curves, you guys, like curves. My boobs have not gone away, neither has my butt. I have a big butt and big boobs, and that has not gone away. And I've been on the keto for almost 3 months. I've lost 35 pounds, and these things aren't going anywhere. So I'm losing inches other places, except, but I'm super excited. Yes, I know I can get into a size 4, which I'm super excited. Um, or a 6, I wouldn't mind 4, 5, 6. But I know I can get into a 4. I used to be a 4 or 5 when I met my husband. And that's my goal. That's my goal. And that's going to be my goal at the end of January, hopefully. So I hope you guys enjoy this kind of video. This is just to encourage anyone that's struggling and going through stuff. I mean, hello, we're women. We go through hormonal changes.